In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screenshot a website URL in Power Automate. This process can be extremely useful when you need to capture visual information from the web for reporting, documentation, or sharing purposes. Let's walk through this step by step to ensure a smooth and successful automation flow. First, you'll want to open Power Automate Desktop. Once there, we're going to start by creating a new flow. Click on New Flow and give it a name that you'll remember later. Perhaps something like Web Page Screenshot Flow. After naming it, click on Create, and this will set the stage for your screenshot automation. Next, we have the option to make the URL dynamic, which can be particularly handy if you plan on capturing different web pages frequently. For this, you can add a Display Input Dialog action to prompt users to enter the URL they want to capture. You might include a message such as Enter URL to Screenshot to guide them. The input from this dialog can be saved into a variable, which we'll call, for instance, URL to capture. Alternatively, if you have a specific URL you want to consistently capture, you can use a Set Variable action. Here, the variable would also be named URL2Capture, and the value could be set directly, say to https://www.example.com. Once you have your URL configured, the next step is to launch a browser. Under Browser Automation, use the Launch New Chrome action. You can also choose Edge or Firefox if you prefer. You'll want to set the initial URL to the variable %URL to capture %. For a better view, you might choose to launch the browser in a maximized window, but a normal window will work as well. This action will give you back a browser instance variable that we'll refer to as browser. After the browser is launched, it's important to ensure the web page is fully loaded before taking a screenshot. You can use the Wait for Web Page Contents action, or simply add a delay of a few seconds. Setting it to wait until a specific element appears on the page or until particular text loads can be a good strategy to ensure full rendering. Now, let's get to capturing the screenshot. The action you need is Take Screenshot of Web Page, also found under Browser Automation. Here, you'll select the browser instance under Web Browser Instance and choose Entire Web Page to capture the whole web page. If you're only interested in a specific part of the site, you can choose Specific Element instead, but remember, you'll need to specify that element using the PADS UI element tool. For saving, set the mode to File. Enter your desired path and file name, such as c/screenshots website.png, and select the file format, perhaps PNG if you want a high-quality image. Finally, once your screenshot is saved, it's time to close the browser. Use the Close Web Browser action, and make sure to pass in the browser instance to properly close the session. Following these steps, you'll have a seamless process in place to capture screenshots of any website URL using Power Automate, making your workflow both efficient and automated.